Alright, now it's Tuesday evening and I've pulled the Caprice in. I think I'm going to sell this thing. I don't really want to, I like it, but you know, you can just only say grace over so much stuff. Alright, it's Tuesday evening after work. It's raining a little bit. I pulled this car in. I'm going to change the oil. And I got to put some SwayBar links on it. And for some reason the StabiliTrak light keeps coming on, but it's not always. I'm not sure what the trouble is. Anyway, that. And there she is. You wanna look under it? Okay, I'll show you. Oh, that's bad. The ball joint boot's ripped right there. That's bad. Well, the SwayBar bushing's pretty bad. It clatters and carries on like crazy. You can almost not stand to drive the car. That ball joint looks okay. Ooh, what happened there? Looks like somebody hitched a tow rig and tore it right out. Good grief. Anyway, that's the oil filter. Look at their GM, made in the USA. It's a Australian car. What's going on here? Alright, you guys are learning same as me. Notice engine running. Blah blah. Oh, you can't, there's no dipstick. You can't check the oil like a regular person on this thing. I don't know. I don't know why they do stuff like that. I just don't know. Look at this. Cat. I guess a cat. A muffler, a resonator, and in the back's two more mufflers. So let me see if I can count that high. 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 items in the exhaust here. 9. It does run real quiet though. You could sneak up on somebody with it. Sure could. Sure could. I guess that's what they are, resonators. Back to the differential. Oh, it's got a 292 gear. See there? I believe it's posi. I need to have somebody hook me up with a Camaro 323 is what I need. Because she's a little doggy off the line. Not terrible, but a little. No rust at all. Anywhere. I really like this car. The last one I had, I cut them mufflers out and cut them right there and then run a straight pipe out. And it sounded okay. It wasn't too loud, but it had a terrible drone. I think you're supposed to put like a J pipe on them, which I did not do. Well, because I'm cheap, that's why. That one's about pulled through the hanger. I bet you they backed into something. Showed it forward, that's what I bet. Yeah, I think so. Look at that. That's my theory, and I've just proven it. There it is. A big friggin' dent in the muffler. I don't guess it hurt it too bad, though. These are really good cars. They handle good, they're fast. And you can make them really fast, so you put a little money in them. Which I have not done yet. Do what now?
What are you doing?
I'm changing the SwayBar link.
Is that what makes it go clunk, 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 clunk?
Yes, at a rapid pace, about to drive you insane. I don't know how you drive the thing.
Because my mechanic wouldn't fix it. Well, I wouldn't say he wouldn't.
Hey, what's he doing right now? He's fixing
Because he had to drive it. You need to drive these things more often.
Good grief. Alright, let me get it apart here. Of course, you can't get it with an impact because it starts spinning. I can't do it one-handed, so... Anyway, I'm going to get it apart. That was pretty easy once I figured out these Moog ones got a flat spot in the back. You put an 18mm wrench on it. They also got grease fittings. That's so nice. Alright, I'm going to rotate the tires now. Since you didn't do it.
Well, I really didn't want to get dirty.
Well,
I'm not in the appropriate attire.
I don't mind getting dirty. Oil. You want to know who else you can't listen to on regular radio? Billy Joe Shaver. That's who. Alright, I got that side, rotated the tires. And now it's time to replace this side. Brakes are looking good. I forgot to look for a loose wire or something. See why the daggone Stabilitrack light keeps coming on. Alright, now we got that side replaced and the tires rotated on this time. It's time to set her down. I don't know why she's staying over there. Time to set her down. Right, babe? Yep. And put some Earl in it. Are you dressed appropriately to put Earl in it?
Yeah, I guess I could because, I mean, I can do it.
I'll do it.
Getting it everywhere.
The lift arms are still going down.
Yeah, I know. Takes it a minute.
You gotta click the thing under the dash.
I know. I was waiting for you to do that.
Oh, you're waiting on me. Alright, woman, crank her and up and we'll see if she blows up. Turn the wipers off. It ain't raining in here. Turn off turn signals. You're not turning. It's on the right hand side. It is a strange thing how these things work in here. It's got the wipers over here. And there's a lever you push up and down.
And then the shifter.
The shifter's over there.
And my wipers and the Mercedes over here.
Quit talking about the Mercedes. People think you be bragging.
Oh, I'm not bragging.
You should be bragging about me. What you talking about?
I'm just spoiled.
That's right. Alright, shut her down. Let's check the Earl. After we let her set a moment. Say what?
Doesn't look like it's leaking.
Well then, maybe it's not. I put 8 quarts in it. That thing holds a lot of oil.
Yeah.
Alright, let's take it for a ride.
Looks good.
As soon as I find my glasses.
Making sure you put the plug in.
Why'd you have such a hard time getting up?
I didn't. I just was taking my time, you know. I'm old.
You ain't
I don't want to break something.
You don't want to break a hip.
I don't want to dislocate a hip.
You know, I was out here the other day and I walked around the corner and I said, oh no, my hip.
That's exactly what I'm saying. You just have to take things a little slower.
Dang.